Hey guys, what's up? I've got another video tutorial for you guys today. This one is going to be a new Red Hood mask. This one's going to be a little bit more detailed and in-depth than my previous Red Hood eye masks. As you can tell, this one actually has some nice three-dimensional looks to it. Yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, we got one half of it built, but we're going to start out using a wood burner on the back side of the foam. You don't want to go all the way through, just about halfway through. Fold it over and it melts it in place, so there's no need for contact cement to hold it there. You want to apply some heat to get to seal the foam and get it to hold its shape. And with the eyepiece, you're going to attach it there end to end. Apply your contact cement to close up the eyepiece and the inner eyelid piece. Wait for the contact cement to dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and push them together. The point on the lower eyelid will match to the top of the upper eyelid. And you're going to apply contact cement to the inside of the outer mask. And you want to make sure that you cut that line when you're cutting it out with an inward angle cut, so that it has a nice 45-degree angle. That'll be the only angle cuts required on this build, unless you don't have a wood burner. You apply your contact cement around the edges of the eyelid piece, and I like to start with the top center, or excuse me, the top corner, top right hand corner of the mask, and work my way around. Make sure that you line up your edges just as close as you possibly can, lining up the hash marks as you go. You don't need to do this fast, just take your time until it gets done. And both halves are done, apply contact cement to the center. Let that dry, and once it's dry, you're gonna go ahead and push them together, like connect the top and the bottom corners first, and then you go through and push the middle together. And you could leave it like this for a Nightwing mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. I'm gonna have these templates available in my Etsy shop. I'll link that down below. It might be a little bit before they're ready, but I'll definitely make a post about it on Instagram and Facebook when they are ready. So make sure you follow me there, and I'll have links for those down below as well. But if you guys make anything, use my templates or using my techniques you learned from my channel or whatever, send me a picture of it, tag me in on it. I would love to see what you guys are working on. Yeah, I'll get this thing all painted up and get it ready. You guys have a great one. One thing I did do on the mask was I cut the point off to make it more Red Hood and burnt in some angles to make the nose a little bit flatter. You can do that using a wood burner, easy peasy.